Here's clap sync. What is up, Bandana Gang? It's your boy Elmer Farrar, and we are back with another video. And today we are talking about the Takstar SGC-598. Roll the B-roll sequence. Let's go. Oh. What is up, guys? How are y'all doing? I am doing fantastic, as I have just received the Takstar 598 as my microphone for vlogs. I did an unboxing video of the microphone itself, but it sucked a lot, so I'm just doing a review of the video. The reason why I got this microphone, like I said before, is for vlogs because I do not have a vlogging microphone. I do have an internal microphone with my Canon EOS 70D that, if you guys have heard the audio from before, it sucks a lot. The microphone itself is 24 bucks, which is actually a really good steal. But we're talking about the Takstar SGC-598. That's the audio from it. This is what it looks like on the camera. So yeah, it's a pretty good size microphone. It comes with a mount shock, a shock mount. That's what it's called. I literally forgot what it's called for like a moment or two. But here I'll do the part where it shows the microphone. Here we have the microphone itself, which is powered by a single AA battery. And once you get that battery in there, you have to turn on the mic on the side, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. The mic actually sounds amazing, as you guys have been listening to it for the past however long I've been recording this. 5 minutes, it says right there on my thing. And yeah, like I said, the mic sounds amazing for its $24 price tag, which is actually really surprising. So we're gonna talk about the specs of this microphone. The microphone has a cardioid pickup pattern, which pretty much means anything in front of it and like a little bit of the side of the microphone will be picked up. It is a hot shoe mount, I believe, which is what it's called, and it's a shotgun microphone, which is perfect for vlogging in crowded spaces. Now the build quality isn't all that awesome, but it's an exception because of its cheap price tag. But because of how amazing it sounds, we'll just let it slide for now. And like I said, it comes in with a built-in shock mount, which won't do that much, but it'll do a little bit whenever it's being tapped or vibrated. And now, moving on, why do you need this microphone? You may want this microphone be for your school project, if you're doing film and you need a cheap audio source, or if you're a vlogger like me and you need a cheap audio thing and you're not willing to spend a lot of money. You can really get a Rode microphone quality out of this cheap microphone if you know how to process it and you know how to change your settings and stuff. It's also perfect for people who are just starting out the vlogs and you don't have a lot of money. And so if you get like a Rebel T6i with a I don't know, or with a wide lens, you can just use that. And then you can grab this Takstar microphone, and you'll just, yeah. This will make your audio miles better than what you can get from your internal microphone. I would know this because I vlogged myself with the internal microphone, which, disclaimer, it sucks a lot. Do not vlog on an internal microphone. Literally, just get the Takstar microphone because it's so much more worth it. Because you can literally hear everything and you won't be able to hear yourself. Trust me, I know. I've done about didgeridoo everything that I know. I did do an audio test when I did record the unboxing, so I'll play that right here. This is the audio that you are hearing from the internal microphone. This is the audio that you're hearing from the Samsung Go mic, which is right here. This microphone is perfect for lots of reasons. I'll be using it from now on for my vlogs until I can get a better microphone, which I don't want to get a better microphone for a long time until this one breaks. Pretty much I won't get a microphone until this one breaks because this one's such a good microphone. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And the link to the thing will be down in the description below to the Amazon link. And so yeah, have a good one, guys. Peace out.